This lesson covers viewing immunization records and entering single-dose and multi-dose vaccines, as well as other helpful information about immunizations. Keeping immunizations tracked on Health Office makes it easier to audit records for the annual state reporting, check for 7th grade immunizations, and run reports and letters when needed. Ideally, the records should be entered when the student enters kindergarten or transfers from another district or state. Entering these records in Health Office is an easy process. To view a student's immunization record, select the Maintenance tab and click the Person or Student link. Make sure the Type drop-down is only Student. Search for and select the student. The demographic info is imported from the SIS and cannot be edited on this screen. Click the Immunizations button at the bottom of the demographic screen to view the details. Click Close when you are finished viewing. Click Cancel to close the record. To enter a single-dose immunization, from the Maintenance tab, click the Immunization History link. Search for the student and select to open up the record. If a student has any immunizations already entered in Health Office, they will show here. Things to know before you make an entry. The vaccine manufacturer option of unknown should always be chosen by schools. For polio vaccines, if the history does not reflect whether the vaccine was taken orally or injected, IPV should be used to record the immunization. Click in the first available blank vaccine field. Key in the first letter of the vaccine name that you will enter. The results will be filtered to those starting with that letter. Select the vaccine and enter the date it was given. Follow the same instruction to add additional doses. You don't have to add the slashes when entering the date. The software automatically adds those for you. If there are any discrepancies in the immunization info, contact the school nurse. Schools should never attempt to override or delete immunization info. This should only be done by the school nurse. Click OK when you are finished. Some vaccines require multiple doses. Using the multi-dose entry button will save time when entering multi-dose vaccines and transfer records. The software ensures that dates entered are not prior to the student's date of birth or a future date. If either occurs, an instant warning will alert the user of the problem. Open up a student record to begin. To enter the multi-dose entry, begin by clicking the Immunization History link and search for the student. When that page opens up, click the Multi-Dose Entry button at the bottom right. Click the Vaccine drop-down and key in the first letter of the vaccine you are entering. Be sure to select Unknown. Click the Tab button on the keyboard and begin entering the dates of the doses. You do not have to add slashes or tabs. The software does that for you. When you complete the entries, click the Add button. And now those entries are displayed on the immunization card. Begin entering the next vaccine from the immunization record. Click the Add button to add it to the record. Continue adding the rest of the vaccines that you are entering. When you are finished, review all entries, and if there are discrepancies or info needs to be deleted, contact the school nurse. Click Cancel Yes to return to the main page. For more helpful information about immunizations, be sure to check the MNPS Employee Portal as shown in the overview of this lesson.